Sometimes it's hard to get away when there's nowhere to stay, and every day is a struggle. The hustle barely even pays. My trouble is the different ways that separate me from this place. Then wonder why I can't get by, because it's been erased, but then replaced with something new. Everything that I've been through only makes me stronger, but it's harder when I know it's you. My own reflection makes me question who the hell I really am. I can see I'm my enemy, but don't understand when back in the day it seemed okay. Now it changed but feels the same. I know it's strange that we don't know each other and you're to blame. We became two different people stuck in the lost and found on the ground, so it feels like you got me going down. And every time I try to look away, I realize I see you every day. There's no hiding from myself now. It feels like you got me going down. Going down. No matter what I do, it's never good enough for you. Regardless of how hard I try, you never will be satisfied. Whatever happens next is when I see it all reflects with no regrets. But understand this pain and just how hard it gets. I won't forget when we crashed. Woke up with my head all smashed on the wheel. How's it feel just to see your whole life flashed? As the past and I'm still here, I still see you in the mirror. Even when I know you're near, I don't ever see you clear. It's all a blur and not too sure if this is who we really were, who we are. You seem so far and I don't know when this occurred. Live and learn, this is my reflection when I turn around. I tell myself it feels like you got me going down. And every time I try to look away, I realize I see you every day. There's no hiding from myself now. It feels like you got me going down.
Oh my goodness.